Question 10. Tim had some battery-operated toy trains. His friend Isabel had 3 more than him. Isabel had 8 trains. How many trains did Tim have? This question is about toy trains. We are comparing the quantity of trains Tim had with the quantity of trains Isabel had. The first thing I need to do is find out which one is the larger quantity. I'm going to look for the word fewer or more, which are the comparing words. Here. I'm going to read this sentence to find out who out of Tim and Isabel had more. His friend Isabel had 3 more than him. So Isabel is the larger quantity, and I'm going to put her number of trains on this bar in blue, which means that Tim will be the smaller quantity, and I will put his number of trains here along with the difference in black. Tim had some battery-operated toy trains. That word some usually tells me that Tim's is the unknown quantity that I'm going to be finding. His friend Isabel had 3 more than him. So the difference is 3 more. So just here, Isabel will have 3 more, and Tim's will stop here. He will have 3 fewer. Isabel had 8 trains. The larger quantity of Isabel's is 8. So I know that she has got 8 trains. And I'll put that in. This is a stick of 10. So 8 would be here. How many trains did Tim have? Yes. The unknown is how many Tim has got, which will be this size. And I'll just fix up my difference because I can tell exactly now here. The plan I'm going to use is this one because I know the larger quantity of Isabel was 8 and I know the difference of 3, but I'm trying to find out the smaller quantity, which is the unknown. So I will do 8 subtract 3 equals the smaller quantity, which will be Tim's. 8 subtract 3 equals 5. I'm going to check my maths that 8 subtract 3 equals 5. Tim should have 5. This is a stick of 10, so 5 will be half. Yes, my maths is correct. The last thing I need to check is the question. How many trains did Tim have? Tim had 5 trains.